Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how to make a NURBS surface. NURBS is an acronym for whatever. The only letters you need to know is the BS, and that stands for B-spline. So it's going to be a B-spline surface using the sweep. Now, I can make whatever with this. As long as it's like a tube thing, like a garden hose or something like that. So I'm just going to go to the F2, the top window, and I'm just going to draw a line here, which is going to be my path. And it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you how to use it. I'm hitting the escape key and going back to F1, I push the H button to focus on the entire scene, and I can move points around to make the curve more 3D, because now it's in 3 dimensions and not just in a flat plane. And I choose a profile curve, which is usually the circle. Make this a bit smaller, like this. And the way the sweep wants it is the path goes at the bottom and the circle goes at the top. Now, mind you, don't mix up the order because you get completely different results, and the circle and the path, or the profile and the path, need to be brother and sister. Well, I'm making turns here that are just a little bit too tight, so maybe if I make the circle smaller, because otherwise the surface will basically fold over itself, and I can still do stuff just like the other NURBS objects with the sweep itself. One thing that you might want to try out, and it's hidden underneath details, is the scale. You can actually, with using a graph, this is a starting point, this is the end point. Here it starts, here it ends. I can actually make this into like a little mouse tail or whatever. I can actually add points by holding down the control key and using this as, I don't know, sort of a bumpy tail. Well, try it out, experiment.